Looking for the best car cleaning kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 car cleaning kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Chemical Guys 2 Bucket Wash and Dry Kit. This colorful kit with sturdy buckets and products for washing and drying is something everyone can use. Products are geared towards scratch-free results. A great starter product for new drivers. This kit is simpler than some others in that it focuses mainly on the basics, but if you want a quality product for gifting or for yourself, it's one to consider. Some buyers find it a little pricey, especially considering the limited contents. At number 2. Meguiars Complete Car Care Kit. 12-piece set gets your car shiny inside and out. Gold class products wash away dirt while protecting paint. Endurance tire gel lasts weeks longer than other products. Comes with tools to keep your car looking fresh in between detailed washes. With 12 pieces aimed at detailing perfection, this affordable kit can boost the appearance of your car. Some customers received open or spilled products. At number 1. Chemical Guys Complete Car Care Kit. Attention to detail in every aspect. An elevated at-home car detailing experience for many types of cars and surfaces. 14-piece set cleans your car from top to bottom. Clean, shine, and protect paint, wheels, tires, bumpers, and even the interior. Attempts to do it all, from removing water spots to leaving chrome spotless and brilliant. 14 premium products assembled into one convenient package. Given the price, customers may expect the kit to come with brushes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.